How's it going, YouTube? I wanted to give you guys my top 3 plays that I'm buying into today, which is Thursday, and I look forward to these plays because there's a few continuations, and I also have a swing play. I want to get right into it, but before I start, I'm going to give you a quick disclaimer. Anything I say is not financial advice. If you want financial advice, I would contact a financial professional. But however, we've been doing pretty well. If you guys look at my previous videos, we've been calling out like some 30–40% gainers almost every single day. I want to keep doing this consistently for you guys for the next year. So if you guys can do me a favor, drop a like, but most importantly, if you guys want notifications as quick as possible, you can subscribe, but hit the bell on the bottom right there. And then you can get a notification to your phone as quick as possible so you can see these plays and possibly not even miss out on them. I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to share my screen here for you guys. So right off the bat, I'm going to go into CSCW. I see this as it's a Chinese technology company. The reason why I like this chart right here and the reason why I'm always going to keep talking about this is we're playing low risk plays. And the reason why I mention low risk plays is because we're buying on breakouts. What I mean by breakouts is a lot of these charts are based, actually every one of them are based on emotional reaction. And so when we buy into breakouts, what we're doing is buying into emotional reaction and buying into a chart that's turning bullish. And whether it's a continuation or a swing, those are the two type of plays that I like to buy into because of the safest ones. I see a lot of problems with people that are buying into a lot of stocks recently, and they just don't really know when to buy or when to sell. And that's why I'm going to go into these things with you guys so we can show some love. So first off, yeah, like I said, CSCW, as we can see, there's a trend line that's been trying to convert here. It did have a low float. We did not know what to expect here, but we did know that it wasn't breaking new lows. It was breaking higher lows. And then the volume kicked in and it definitely gapped up here. As you can see, it gapped up to its previous lows from a while back. And it's actually holding right here. So that's really, really strong. And what I mean by holding is it not only held, but it came across the support line and it held across and it gapped up past the resistance again. So I see this as bullish. I see this as a continuation. It's currently at like 82, 84 cents. I see this definitely going to like $1, possibly even $1.50 if it gets the volume that it needs. You can see obviously the buy pressure below has been increasing. I see this as super bullish. I bought this last night and I plan to possibly go into today and sell today. So my next favorite play is I'm gonna go right into LAZR. As you can see, I was gonna show you guys about LAZR on the description below in the video. LAZR has absolutely crushed. I know all of you guys have heard of LAZR, but we were wondering if it was gonna come back up or if it was one of those stocks that got pumped and it was falling out. And the reason why we want to confirm this is because we can see a support right here. I mean, we can see a resistance right here, and we can see a support. We could see a flag that's starting to be built. Yesterday, it was gapping up. We saw the volume was starting to increase. It actually gapped up really fast. It did confirm that it's trying to create a bull trend. And I would personally, I created this resistance line because around 40 cents, I mean, $40.50 is when I would buy, because that's when it would confirm that it's a bull chart. And I see this as a huge swing. Again, after $40, I would buy this on a confirmation on the chart as a bull trend. And LAZR has been one of the best technology companies that have been IPO'd. It was IPO'd about 3 weeks ago to a month. And if you guys had bought in when we did before, we bought in down here and we rode it all the way up. I called it exactly on the breakout. So I definitely like LAZR. Again, if it breaks 40, I think that's a great buy. I think it's like a huge swing. I think people are going to regret it. You're going to see people talking about it. And we're catching everything before it happens because, like I said, we're calling things on breakouts. And I just see these things as super bullish when we call them breakouts. The last one is going to be KXIN. KXIN had obviously broken a resistance right here. And it's obviously created, it's creating like almost a double bottom here. But what I see here is if it breaks out right here, it's really close. If it breaks out right here, it's starting to create a bullish trend. And when I would personally buy is around $4.80, because that's when it would confirm for us our bull chart, like I said, for lower risk plays. And I see this as a great swing. KXIN is creating so much volume, and like this is one of those plays that like if you're going to hear about it right now and you're going to if you go look at it later, you'll probably see that it's done pretty well. So KXIN is a automotive company from China, and obviously China has been pretty bullish recently. And I definitely see you guys swinging this, or myself, at $4.80. And like I said, anything I say is not financial advice. I recommend you contact a financial advisor if you guys want financial advice. But however, again, if you guys want to show me love, and I'm just trying to bless y'all, because I'm going to be posting every single day. In fact, later today, I plan on posting another video, probably around 11 a.m. Eastern, around there, probably around the market hours. And I'm going to give you guys a few more plays. We have been slinging these plays to you guys over and over and over in my previous videos, and I'm going to continue to do that for the whole year, like I said. So I definitely would not see a short-term investment on our page here, because like I said, I'm not backing off on you guys. I'm going to keep going forever. I really want to show the much love as I can to you guys. And like I said, we're buying on low risk. The reason why I say that is because I see the reason why I even started this channel is because so many people are buying on high risk plays. I see so many people talking about, what should I buy? What should I sell? Well, I'm showing you guys how it's going to be done. And if you guys just follow the charts, or you guys just follow the plays if you want to, but I definitely see that you guys can become way better traders, just like we became. And I want you guys to be better. So I'll talk to you guys later today.